As gigantic and intimidating as elephants are, it chooses a civil approach to let the photographer know that it didn't appreciate his photo being taken. A tourist tried to pet a lion from the tour bus window at Serengeti National Park, but got back a nasty growl instead.
Close the window. Close the window. The adult.
An adorable baby elephant chases away a car that was passing through South Africa's Kruger National Park. On one hot morning, a pride of lions decided to make themselves at home under the shade in front of the homeowner's patio. A photographer visiting Yellowstone National Park had a rare encounter with a large gray wolf and captured the incredible moment on camera. The photographer said she felt extremely lucky to have had that encounter. This footage shows a rhino going up against a pickup truck. The impact of its charge is so incredible. Giraffes are really friendly and social animals by nature. This mountain biker learned that as an inquisitive giraffe gently sniffed him and his girlfriend as they were riding through the safari. An unidentified sea creature nearly capsizes a couple kayaks with 4 men on it fishing. It's probably not the best time to be in a small boat in the middle of the deep blue sea.
Oh my gosh! Dude, that's like a 9 or 10 footer. That is not like 7. That's huge. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Oh my gosh. Oh, hold on to that thing.
It's not every day you see a group of escaped camels randomly running through traffic, but when it does happen, it's hard not to be entertained by it.
Oh shit.
Oh God.
Oh shit.
Oh
Get
my
your video
God.
going.
I've got your video.
Yeah.
going.
Oh my.
Oh!
off him. Gosh.
It's been reported that bears have broken into cars about 484 times between 2019 and 2020. Bear approached a group of people out of curiosity. The group's guide handled the situation well by scaring off the grizzly bear with his voice and body language. Thankfully, the guide didn't have to resort to using his weapon.
Hi, sweet thing. Hi, sweet thing. Go on. Hey. Get on out of here. No closer. Ah! You get! Get! Go on. Ah! Get on out of here. Get!
These oarfish were spotted in Japan. According to Japanese folklore, these sea creatures come to the surface when a big earthquake is about to happen. A grizzly bear charged towards a ranger in Yellowstone, Wyoming. The ranger managed to keep a safe distance, though.
Shut up. I am.
Bull tried to attack tourist vehicles to protect his cow and calf in Kruger National Park. This rhino must have had a previous encounter with poachers or some other human contact. An ordinary day in Australia, I guess. A herd of kangaroos is sighted in a residential neighborhood. These people tried to get the attention of a coyote in Yellowstone National Park. Surprisingly, a whistle seemed to work to get its attention.